Hello everyone. My project title is Detecting Potential Misinformation Spreaders During Disaster. The project was made during Shell Hacks for Healthy Conversation Challenge provided by Twitter. In recent times, social media platforms has become a powerful means of communication, and conversations are going on each and every second. But unfortunately, spread of misinformation is also becoming more and more common on these platforms, and this could cause a huge loss, especially in the case of disasters. So, natural language processing techniques could be used to detect users who are potential misinformation spreaders, and so that their tweets could be analyzed more closely in the case of disasters to stop the spread of misinformation. One possible example of disaster situation is COVID-19, during which a lot of users have been spreading misinformation. For this project, I'm using two datasets. Both of them contains binary labels. The first one contains binary labels to check if the user is a misinformation spreader or not, and the second one is to check if the tweets are about the disaster or not. So, talking about the task, we have a list of tweets for each user, and we have to build models to classify based on the tweets if the user is a misinformation spreader or not, and if the tweets are about the disaster situation or not. So the possible outcomes, there will be four possible outcomes, but the most important one will be if we can check if the tweets are from potential misinformation spreader tweeting about the disaster situation. The approach I took is as follows. Each user has 100 tweets, and not all of them are important for classification. So we can filter out the most important tweets and only use those for classification. I used Keyscare to filter out the most important tweets. The way it's done is we use Keyscare to find out the most important features or words, and we can rank tweets based on those words. And after ranking that, we can just get the most important tweets out of that. And I also did some basic pre-processing, for example replacing URL with special tokens. And this Jupyter notebook contains the models for that. It contains two naive weight models, and the trained model are stored in the model folder. I have made a simple dataset to check the predictions of our model. If you look at the dataset, then it contains four users, and it has a couple of each user has a couple of tweets. And if we run the prediction script on that, then we can see that for user 1 it says a regular user tweeting about disaster, and the tweets which talks about disasters are printed out here. And for user 2 it says a regular user with routine tweets, so that's not very interesting. For user 3 it says potential misinformation spreader, and for users 4 it says potential misinformation spreader tweeting about disaster. And probably the fourth one is the most important one to classify, because if we know it beforehand, then we could possibly control the damage. I used accuracy as an evaluation metric because the classes are balanced, and threefold cross-validation setup was used to report the results. And for the first model we get an accuracy of 72%, and for the disaster or not model we get an accuracy of 85%. Thank you for listening, and thank you for the organizers for arranging an awesome event.